and welcome to Note. Agriculture, as we all know, is the practice of cultivating plants and livestock, and it was the key factor due to which human civilization started. Also, farming of domesticated species of plants and animals created surplus food that enabled people to live in cities. The history of agriculture began thousands of years ago. Gathering of wild grains began at least 1,05,000 years ago. Then came the age of planting grains around 11,500 years ago. Humans started domesticating pigs, sheep, and cattle around 10,000 years ago. Evidences of early agriculture can be found in cave paintings and on walls of tombs and pyramids all around the world. So, this proves that humans have been depending upon agriculture since the time they denounced their gatherer lifestyle. With improved technologies and a population explosion arose the need for improving these resources so as to suffice all. So today we shall be discussing about this in a very important chapter from your syllabus named Improvement in Food Resources. In India and also around the world, food habits differ from place to place. Eastern countries are more dependent on rice and rice products, while Western countries are more inclined towards wheat and wheat products. Depending on the varied food habits, different regions grow different food items. While places like Uttar Pradesh in India grows wheat as a major crop, places like West Bengal is a major producer of rice. Kerala and Tamil Nadu are major producers of coconuts, while tea is a chief plantation of Assam. So basically, the food that we eat every day is grown somewhere as a crop. This practice should be maintained such that there is never a dearth of food for us. For this to happen, it is necessary for us to improve crop yields. But why exactly should we improve the crop yield? First, to meet the needs of the ever-increasing population, it is necessary that there is steady and continuous supply of high-quality crops. Secondly, there is not much scope of increasing the area of the field under cultivation as space is not readily available. So, improved techniques will help yield good quality crops in the existing space. A huge problem that the world is facing right now is malnutrition. Malnutrition is a serious condition that happens when our diet does not contain the proper amount of nutrients. In 2019, the census reported that almost 8.9% of the global population suffer from malnutrition. But why do such a large percentage of the world population suffer from this condition? There are many reasons, but primarily, let us broadly divide them into 3 points. A major portion of the world are below the poverty line and thus do not have access to healthy food. Another reason which is related to poverty is unemployment. This is also a major cause for not being able to have access to nutritious food. The third reason, which is again related to the first two, is overpopulation. The world does not provide enough food to feed the ever-increasing population and thus leading to a dearth of food. But friends, will improved crop yields be able to solve the problem of malnutrition? Not quite. Malnutrition will not be eradicated unless the food is affordable. For this, the economic condition of people needs to improve so that they can afford good and healthy food. Moreover, a better livelihood and income should also be given to those who are involved with agriculture. Now friends, coming to crops. Pulses such as gram, pea, lentil are rich sources of protein. Cereals such as rice, wheat, maize are rich source of carbohydrate. Oil seeds such as groundnuts and castor are rich source of fats. And vegetables and fruits are rich source of vitamins and minerals. Different crops require different climatic conditions to grow. And knowing about their exact need is the key to producing high-yielding crops. Thus, the major groups of activities for improving crop yields can be classified as crop variety improvement, crop production management, crop protection management. We shall discuss about each of these methods in detail in our successive videos. With this, we shall conclude our today's lesson. We shall meet you soon in our next part. Till then, Team Notebook wishes you